In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Wix Members area. To get started, go to your Wix dashboard. This is where you manage the main settings for your site, including anything related to members, permissions, and the way people interact with your content. Once you are inside the dashboard, take a moment to make sure you are working on the correct site, especially if you manage more than one. Next, navigate to Settings and click Site Member Settings. This section is where you control the core behavior of your members area. It is an important place because it helps you decide how visitors sign in, how members are managed, and what kind of experience they will have once they join your site. If you are setting this up for the first time, move slowly through each option so you can understand what is enabled. After that, click the login bar element in your site header to customize the appearance of the sign-in and profile menu. This part is useful because the login bar is what your visitors and members will actually see when they want to sign in or access their account. You can adjust how it looks so it matches the style of your site and feels consistent with the rest of your branding. A clean and visible login area also makes the site easier to use. Then go to Member Privacy and click the option that allows all site members to see their profile, and save your changes. This setting controls profile visibility inside your members area. Saving the setting is important so your update is applied properly. If you are reviewing privacy options, pay close attention to what members can view, since this affects how open or private your community feels. Finally, click More Actions to see options such as invites, contacts, set permission, and add role. This area gives you more control over how members are organized and managed. Invites can help you bring people into the site directly. Contacts lets you review member-related information. Permissions help define access, and roles are useful when different members need different levels of responsibility or visibility. As you work through these settings, try to keep your members' experience simple and clear. Small adjustments in visibility, access, and navigation can make a big difference in how professional your site feels. That covers everything you need to know.